Wait, damn it, is this the you haven't actually read it?
Dirty, damn it, it's dirty.
No, you're missing all the best ones.
I fell for it.
American Psycho. To be honest, I've only read parts of. This is the best one. This is a copy of The Wealth of Nations Fifth that I got from a used bookstore. This is from like 1950.
The plant was overwatered and it something and...
It's on this thing.
Alright, give me some banana plugs, I'm ready. This is how this works. You just take your bare wire and...
Get it 800, not 900.
This is for...
Staple it and put some hangers on it. This is a partially completed one. That's full.
Really designed to be built once at a factory and then not really worked on, but hooked up like internally to antennas that are built into the case. How does this power supply script? I am extracting your Wi-Fi.
Thank you.
There's just a couple little antenna PCBs here that need to pop off the bottom feet.
Alright, I'm just gonna do this over.
See now, with an Intel chip, we've got USB 3.1, we've got Type-C, we've got... Is this 2.5 gig LAN?
I believe it is.
Nice! First, let's go ahead and install the CPU. Oh, no way, this is awesome! Check this out. So this motherboard, because you've got support for PCI Express Gen 4,
The longer you go, the deeper you need because the wavelengths are longer. So this is about 4 inches. Actually, I think it's 5 inches.
I have this as well. That's my.
So how much stolen goods do we have in here?
I don't think any. Those are mine.
Oh yeah.
Those.
Wow, this is going great. Look at all this progress I made.
This right here, you just try to collect.
Dies that you knew you could match later on down the line. So these are Crucible Insects. They're using Micron E dies. This Crucible is owned by Micron. Good ground fence now.
Just installing legs. Probably should have asked for help before starting this, but yeah, I'm just scared because I'm afraid if I don't hold those legs too much, it might fall off. But I think once it's down, it'll be good. And the thing is just a single step.
How do we do that on that old system? That's too easy.
So it looks like
Far better condition.
I gotta take this off because this is kind of, so I can show you. I'm gonna try to glue that down and hopefully this works out, you know what I'm saying? Okay, we got this part. I don't know if I was able to see it. I ain't got my monitor with that. But I really need to fix this.